Keulers, every so often in the life of a construction project, a single observation changes the way you see everything. It completely reframes your understanding of where the project stands. And today, we witnessed one of those moments. New sandwich panels have now reached the first overhang level of the Spotify Camp Nou, marking a major turning point in the stadium's transformation. Until now, installation had remained focused on the lower sections. But today, the transformation officially moves upward. For the first time in this renovation, sandwich panels are climbing into the upper tiers of the stadium. The panels are rising, and a new visual phase of the rebuild begins today. Attention is also shifting toward the diamond area, where new steps are taking shape around the structure. But these steps are more than construction elements. What is being created here is a real fan zone, a communal space where supporters can gather, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere together, even outside the stadium. The matchday experience at the new Camp Nou is clearly extending beyond the turnstiles. And perhaps the best part of this vision is its inclusiveness. On sold-out match days, the diamond area could become a gathering point for fans unable to enter the stadium. Imagine giant screens showing the match while thousands of supporters gather together under the Barcelona sky. That atmosphere transforms a stadium into something much larger than football. It becomes a true community landmark. Another major development is happening ahead of the arrival of new slats, expected very soon. Crews are tightening structural anchors and fastening points for the future slat systems. But this time, the workflow has evolved. While supports are being prepared, workers are also installing LED wiring and electrical connections throughout the same sections, and that represents a major improvement in efficiency. Previously, the process happened in separate stages. Structural supports were installed, slats were mounted afterward, LED wiring came later. But now, the electrical infrastructure is already being integrated before the slats arrive. The cables are already installed. The connections are already prepared. The lighting system is already waiting for the slats. This change will accelerate future installation phases because crews will no longer need to reopen completed sections later for wiring. The workflow has become faster, smarter, and more efficient. One small detail around the site reveals something important about the interior progress. Most of the refrigerators and large appliances previously stored inside the stadium have now been moved outside. At first glance, that may not sound important, but in construction terms, it is a major sign of advancement. Large equipment is usually kept inside during earlier fit-out phases when spaces remain open and accessible. But once finishing works become more detailed, crews need every available centimeter of space. And that appears to be exactly what is happening now. The interior areas have reached a stage where finishing operations and detailed installations are becoming so intensive that spaces must be fully cleared for workers. It is similar to a chef clearing the counter before beginning the most intricate part of a recipe. Inside the new Camp Nou, the raw structural spaces are transforming into breathtaking environments future visitors will experience. While attention remains focused on the exterior, extraordinary progress is also unfolding inside the stadium. Finally, the lower corner area has become one of the busiest construction zones on the site. Numerous lifting platforms are operating simultaneously, while crews weld and install new metal supports for future slat installations. This is not a single isolated operation. It is a coordinated expansion of the slat infrastructure across another major section of the stadium. Workers are welding support frameworks into position with the same precision seen throughout this renovation. Every new support installed becomes another anchor point for the illuminated slat system wrapping around the exterior. Today's update gave us 5 different views into 5 different sections of the project. But together, they all told the same story. The renovation of the Spotify Camp Nou is no longer progressing in isolated stages. Everything is advancing simultaneously. Sandwich panels are climbing into the upper tiers for the first time. The diamond area is evolving into a massive communal fan zone. LED systems are being integrated earlier to accelerate installation speed. Interior works are entering their most demanding phase, and new slat infrastructure is expanding into additional sections of the stadium. The momentum behind this project now feels unstoppable. The new Camp Nou is no longer rising piece by piece, but as one enormous synchronized transformation moving steadily toward completion. Visca el Barça, Visca Catalunya,